Hello everyone, welcome to Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to see what is meant by ranging. In the previous video we have seen what is chaining. So chaining is where we find the linear distance between two objects. Say my object is A and B, and the distance between them is say it is 55 meters, but I have a tape which is only 30 meters long. In that case, when measuring the distance between A and B, there occurs a break at the 30-meter point. So from after measuring 30 meters, I have to take a break and again measure it from this point till I reach B. So while doing this measurement, which involves measuring the distance higher to the distance of the tape or chain used, we go for ranging. So ranging is nothing but establishing an intermediate point so that the stations A and B are in line with each other. So this is meant by ranging. There are two different types of ranging. The first one is direct ranging. We go for direct ranging when our objects A and B are visible. I set up a ranging rod here at A and a ranging rod here at B. When I see from A, I can view the ranging rod at B. So this means there is no objections or obstacles in the path of sight from A to B and B to A. In this case, what we do is at the point where there is supposed to be a break in the measurement, we will ask an assistant. The main surveyor will stand here, or the leader will stand here, and the assistant will approximately go and stand somewhere in between A and B. The place where he is standing must be within the length of the tape or chain that we are going to use. Say we are going to use 30-meter chain, so he has to stand within the 30 meters. Say he is standing somewhere here with the ranging rod. So from here our leader will see the ranging rod B and the ranging rod that the assistant is holding up here. So our leader will signal the assistant to move towards the line of measurement between A and B. As a result, the assistant will bring the ranging rod here, so that now when the leader sees from A, he will see that all A and the intermediate station and B are in same line, which means that the line which we are going to get is the true line between A and B. So this is direct ranging, where next one is indirect ranging. It is also called as reciprocal ranging. This type of ranging is taken into account, or this is used when our objects A and B are not intervisible from each other. Say there is a building here or an obstacle, something is intruding the line of sight from A to B. So what we do here is we set up, as usual, we'll set up the ranging rod here and the ranging rod here. Unlike direct ranging, we will set up two other intermediate stations here. In direct ranging, we will set only one intermediate station, whereas in indirect ranging or reciprocal ranging, we will establish two stations in such a way that say, let the stations be M and N. So we will be establishing M and N in such a way that from N, A is visible, and from N, B is visible. So now that we have established M and N, we will keep changing the position of M and N simultaneously till it reaches the true line of sight between A and B. So the first step is from N, I will see B, and I'll bring N to a position that M, N and B are in the same line of sight. So this is going to be the new position of N. Say let this be N1. So I'm bringing this station to here, this position. And next step, I will see A from N. And I will bring M to the position such that both N, M and A are in same line. Say this is M1. And the same is repeated again. From M1, I'm going to see B in such a way that N is going to be there. This is N2. And such a way it is done again and again till we get the position of, we get the true positions of M and N in the true line of sight of A and B. So this is indirect ranging. Please do like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.